Alright, so we're looking at the Samso giant cervical vertebrae model. Until it's a cervical vertebrae, because we have these vertebral arteries on either side. If you'll think back to AMP1, first thing in that vertebral column we talked about these holes right here. These are the transverse foramina. And there we see what goes in there, those vertebral arteries. There's your spinous process of the vertebrae, body of the vertebrae. And here are these articulations for the vertebrae above. So now when we get closer, in the center, in the vertebral foramen, we see the spinal cord. So the white part here, the outer part of the spinal cord there, this region, is white matter. This big part right here with a 28 on it would be your dorsal white column. The gray matter on this spinal cord model is brown in the center. That dot right there in the center, that is called the central canal, and it has a number 25 on it. Here, number 19, is the dorsal root ganglion. Keep in mind that like all Samso models, the ones kind of look like 7s and the 9s look like G's. So there, number 19, is your dorsal root ganglion. Here, those wires coming out of the dorsal side of the spinal cord, those wires right there, that is the dorsal root. Here, on the ventral side, right here, that is the ventral root. Again, dorsal root ganglion. The dorsal and ventral roots come together. There's this big gray structure with a 20 on it. That is a spinal nerve. So again, central canal, 25 right in the center. Dorsal white column. Dorsal root ganglion. Dorsal root, ventral root. This fatty tissue around the outside is epidural fat. It's in the epidural space. This empty space directly around the spinal cord would be the subarachnoid space. The outer layer of tissue here with that 9 on it looks like a G. These are meninges, dura mater, beneath that the arachnoid, and then of course the pia mater directly on the surface of the spinal cord. So there is our cross section of the cervical spine.